Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a true professional powerhouse, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV DSLR camera paired with the Canon EF 70-200mm f/2.8L lens, along with essential accessories. This is a setup trusted by professionals worldwide for portraits, landscapes, weddings, wildlife, and cinematic video work. At the heart of the Canon 5D Mark IV is a 30.4-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Full-frame means better background separation, richer colors, and cleaner images at higher ISOs, something professionals demand when shooting in challenging lighting conditions. The camera is powered by Canon's DIGIC 6 Plus image processor, ensuring fast performance, accurate color science, and excellent noise control. Skin tones look natural, highlights are well preserved, and shadow details remain usable, which is why the 5D series has been a favorite for years. One of the standout features is dual Pixel CMOS Autofocus. This system provides smooth, fast, and incredibly accurate autofocus for both photography and video. Face tracking is reliable, making it ideal for portraits, interviews, weddings, and event coverage. For video creators, the 5D Mark IV records 4K video, delivering professional-grade footage with impressive detail. Combined with dual-pixel AF, video focus transitions look smooth and cinematic. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS add convenience for fast file transfer and location tagging. Now pair this body with the legendary Canon EF 70-200mm f/2.8L lens, and you unlock true professional capability. This lens delivers razor-sharp images, beautiful background blur, and excellent performance in low light. It's a go-to lens for portraits, sports, wildlife, and events. The included bag and accessories make this a ready-to-shoot professional kit right out of the box. If you're serious about photography or filmmaking and want a reliable, industry-proven camera system, this Canon 5D Mark IV bundle is a rock-solid investment. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and check the link below to grab this kit on Amazon.